Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to add lock screen widgets in Samsung A36 or A56. If you want to add lock screen widgets, so let's see how can you do this. You just have to go to your home screen just like this, and here just keep a long press on any empty place, and then you will get this type pop-up. Just tap on add widget, and here you'll get these different widgets. You can easily add one of them if you want, and I'm going to select battery from here, then select the widget which you want to add, then select any other widget which you want to add to your lock screen. So you can easily add different widgets. Here you can see widget area has been full. Now go back and then tap on done. So that's how you can easily add different widgets to your lock screen on Samsung A36 or A56. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until the next video, bye bye.